Everyone, today we are going to see exercise 2.3 from chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. Okay, so here is exercise 2.3. In the previous video, student, we had already completed exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Hope you people understood the exercise. Now we are having exercise 2.3, question number 1. What is the question number 1 says? Solve the following equation and check your result. Okay, so as we did in exercise 2.1, in the same way we are going to solve this equation, but the extra thing which we have to do over here, we have to check our result. Now I will show you how to check the result. Since it is here we are having the question as solve the equation. Which equation we have to solve? The equation is 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. This equation we have to solve it. Okay, now while solving, the 2x from the right hand side will move towards the left hand side. It will become minus 2x is equals to 18. Have you understood up to here? Then 3x minus 2x will become x is equals to 18. So what is the value of 18 we got over here? Sorry, what is the value of x we got over here? That is 18. Okay, while solving this equation, we got the value of x is equals to 18. Clear everyone? After that, in the question it is said that you have to check your result. So, for checking our result, what we have to do? What is our equation is? 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. This was our equation, isn't it? For this, what we have to do for checking our result, we have to substitute the value of x in the equation. So here 3x is there, that means 3 into 18 is equals to 2 into 18 plus 18 will be there. Clear? Now multiply 3 with 18, it will become 54. Now here 2 into 18 will become how much? 2 8s will be 16, 1 carry, here 36 plus 18. Okay, so 8 plus 6 plus 6 will be 4, 14, 1 carry, and 3 plus 2 will become 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 2, isn't it? So it will become 5. So we can see that 54 is equals to 54 we will get. That means LHS is equals to RHS, isn't it? Here LHS and RHS, both the sides are coming equal, isn't it? Now when LHS and RHS both the sides are coming equal, that means our the value of x which we had solved for the equation 3x is equals to 2x plus 18 is correct. Have you understood the question? What we have to do first, we have to find out the value of unknown variable. Either it will be x, y, z, any variable which is given in the questions, that variables value we have to find out. After finding the value of that particular variable, we have to substitute the same value in the same equation of that. That is only our checking part. When LHS and RHS both are coming equal, that means our answer or our value, that is x is equals to 18, is correct. Clear up to here? Now look the second part of the question. Again in the second part of the question, we have to do the calculation. First we have to solve it, then we have to find the value of. Okay, so here after finding the value of the variable t, we have to check the result. So what is the equation we are having? 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. This is the equation we are having. So for that, what we are going to do? We are going to take the t term to the left hand side and the constant to the right hand side. Clear? So here 5t is already present on the left side. Now taking the 3t from right hand side to the left hand side, it will become minus 3t. Clear? Now minus 5 is already present in the right side. Taking minus 3 from the left side to the right side, it become plus 3. Have you understood up to here? Now solve it. 5t minus 3t, it will become 2t. It will become plus 2t. Why it will become plus 2t? Because 5 is greater than 3 and the number which is greater, that sign comes in the answer. That's why. Now in the right hand side, plus and minus will become minus. So 5 minus 3, how much? 2. It will be minus 2 or plus 2? It will be minus 2. Why it is minus 2? Because 5 is a greater than 3 and 5 sign is minus. So that will become in the answer. Clear? Now t is equals to minus 2 upon 2. So here my 2 is plus 2 ones are 2. Will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. So t is equals to, we will get the answer as minus 1. Have you understood up to here? So what is the value of t we are getting here? The value of t we are getting as minus 1. Clear up to here? Now after getting the value of t is equals to minus 1, what we have to do? We have to check our result, whether the value of t is equals to minus 1 is coming right or not. For that, what we have to do, student? For that, we have to substitute the value of t is equals to minus 1 in the question. Question is what? 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. So here we have to substitute. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3 is equals to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. Understood up to here? सब्सटीट्यूट करना है, पहले तो उसको सॉल्व करना है, वेरिएबल का वैल्यू लेकर के आना है, उस वैल्यू को क्वेश्चन में सब्सटीट्यूट करके देखना कि LHS RHS सही आ रहा है कि नहीं. If our LHS and RHS answer is coming same, equal, that means our answer is correct. Okay, now 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5, then minus 3 is equals to 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3. Okay, then minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5, minus and minus will become plus. So 5 plus 3 will be 8, minus 8. Okay, minus minus again plus. So here again the answer. Now look that here LHS is equals to RHS. Clear everyone? Here LHS and RHS both are coming equal. Hence the value t is equals to 1 is verified for the equation 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. Have you understood? Do you remember the verifications we had done in chapter number 1? There we are going to substitute the values of the variable and we are solving the LHS and the RHS part separately. Do you remember that? Verification, verified. So in the same way we have to do over here. Clear? Finding the value from the equation and then again substituting the value in the same equation. We will get the required answer. Clear up to here? So dear student, here is the question number 2 is completed. Let's see question number 3. In question number 3, what it happens that, what is the equation we are having? That is 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. So here 3x will move from right hand side to the left hand side and plus 9 will move from left hand side to the right hand side. So it will become, the equation will become 5x minus 3x is equals to 5 minus 9. Clear? Then 5x minus 3x will become plus 2x, as 5 is a greater number than 3 and 5 is a positive. So positive plus sign will come in the answer. Here it will become minus 4. Why it is minus 4? Because 9 is a greater number. Plus and minus will be minus. So 9 minus 5 will be 4. And the sign will be minus because 9 is a greater number than 5 and whatever number is greater, that sign comes in the answer. So here 2x is equals to minus 4. So minus 4 upon 2. Clear? Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So what is the answer for 2? What is the value of x we are getting over here? The value of x we are getting as x is equals to minus 2. Have you understood up to here? After doing this, what we have to do? We have to check, isn't it? So x is equals to minus 2. We have to substitute in the equation 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. Here we have to substitute. So in place of x we are going to substitute minus 2, isn't it? Plus 9 is equals to 5 plus, what is the equation? 3x, isn't it? So in place of x we are going to put minus 2. Now solving this, 5 minus 2, 5 into minus 2, what it will be? It will be minus 10 plus 9 is equals to plus 3 into minus 2, it will be minus 6. Now plus and minus, minus 1, plus and minus, minus 1. So here again LHS and RHS, both the answer is coming same. Hence x is equals to minus 2 is verified for the equation. 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. We had checked our result. X is equals to minus 2 is correct for 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x equation. Have you understood up to here? Next we are having the equation again 4z plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2z. So 4z minus 2z, when you are transposing the constant to one side and the variable term to other side, it will become 4z minus 2 is equals to 6 minus 3. Okay. Now 4z minus 2z, it will be 2z is equals to 3. Now z is equals to what the value we are having? 3 by 2. Now this value we have to put in place of z. Clear? So how to put? It is very simple to put. So 4z plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2z. In place of z we have to substitute the value. So 4 into 3 by 2 is the result, isn't it? So here 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2, and inside the bracket, because 2z is there, so z value is 3 by 2. Clear? Now solve it. Here 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 into 3 will be 6 plus 3. Have you understood? Plus is equals to 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 will get cancelled. So here 3 is left. Now, isn't it? Have you understood now? So 3 plus 6 will be 9 and 6 plus 3 will be again 9. So here we can see that LHS and RHS both are coming same. Hence we can verify our equation z is equals to 3 upon 2 is correct result for the equation 4z plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2z. Clear everyone? Now let's see the fifth part. Fifth part is again simple one. I will explain you. That is 2x minus 1 is equals to 14 minus x. So transposing the x terms to one side and the constant term to the other side, we will get the equation as here, like this equation we will get, that is 2x plus x is equals to 14 plus 1. Now 2x plus 1 will be 3x and 14 plus 1 will be 15. So x is equals to 15 divided by 3. The value of x we will get as 5. Clear? Now substituting the value of 5 in the equation, 2x minus 1 is equals to 14 minus x. So 2 into 5 minus 1 is equals to 14 minus 5. So here it will be 10 minus 1 is equals to 14 minus 5 will be become 9. So 10 minus 1 will become 9. 9 is equals to 9. We will get the result. Clear everyone? Have you understood up to here? So dear student, here 9 is equals to 9 we will get as LHS is equals to RHS part. Clear? Then next question, sixth part. In the sixth part, what is said here? Solve and check. Again solve and check, here it is given but our bracket is given. Okay, so dear student, for that first we have to solve the bracket part. So what is the equation we are having? 8x plus 4 is equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. This is the equation we are having. Now it become 8x plus 4. Here nothing we were going to do in the left hand side because no bracket is there. But here this 3 will be multiplied with both the number which is present inside the bracket. So 3 into x will be 3x minus 3 into 1 will be 3 plus 7. Clear? Again it will become 8x plus 4 is equals to 3x. This is constant, minus 3 plus 7 it will become plus 4, as 7 is a greater number, that's why. Now we have to transpose the x term to one side and the constant to other side. So here it will become x, 5x is equals to 4 plus 4 minus 4, it will be plus 4 minus 4 will become 0. So x is equals to 0. upon 5. So x is equals to, we will get the answer as 0 itself. Have you understood up to here? After solving this, what we have to do is, we have to put the value of x is equals to 0 in the equation, that is 8x plus 4 is equals to 3x minus 1 plus 7. Here we have to substitute the value. Now let's see how to substitute and get the value of x. Clear? Now substituting x is equals to, what the value of x we got? 0, isn't it here? So here 8x plus 4 is equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7 is there. So 8x, that means 8 into 0 plus 4 is equals to 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. We have to solve this equation. So here 8 into 0 will be 0 plus 4 is equals to, here it will become minus 3 plus 7. So 4 is equals to, 4 is the required answer, where LHS is equals to RHS. Clear everyone? So in this way we have to solve the equation, we will get the required answer. Now for question number 7, you can see that what is the equation we are having, that is x is equals to 4 upon 5 x plus 10. This is the equation we are having, isn't it? So x is equals to 4 by 5, inside the bracket x plus 10 is there. So what we have to do, we have to solve it. So x is equals to 4 by 5 into x plus 10 we are having. Now this denominator 5 will goes to the numerator x, and it will be multiplied with there. So here equation will be 5x is equals to 4x plus 10. 4 into x plus 10. Clear? 4 into x plus 10 it will be there. Now 5x is equals to 4 into x, it will be 4x plus 4 into 10 will be 40. Clear? Now 5x minus 4x is equals to 40 we are having. Here x is equals to 40, we will get the answer. Now this result, x is equals to 40, we have to substitute in the same question equation. So substituting the value, what you will get? Here 40 in place of x, 4 by 5. Okay, then here again x value is 40 plus 10. So 40 is equals to 4 by 5 into, here 40 plus 10 will be 50, isn't it? 5 ones are 5 and 5 tens are 50. So 4 into 10 will be become 40. Here again we are having LHS is equals to RHS. Clear? So hope you understood the solution. Okay, so in this way you have to solve all the questions here. It's a very simple question, student, not very difficult one. Now again the next part of the question, 8th one we are having, 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x upon 15 plus 3. So here what we have to do, we have to transpose the x term towards one side and the constant term to the other side. Clear? So 7x upon 15 will transpose from left hand side to the right hand side, and 1 will transpose from left hand side to the right hand side. So we will get the equation as 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 is equals to 3 minus 1. This equation we will get. Now after getting the equation, student, look here, the denominators are different. Denominators are different. One is 3, one another is 15. So for that what we have to do is, we have to take the LCM of 3 and 15. Since it is an unlike term, so we are going to take the LCM 15. So 15 comes in the table of 3 how many times? That comes in the table of 3 5 times. So 2x into 5 minus 15 comes in the table of 15 how many times? 1 time. So 7x into 1. Clear? Is equals to 3 minus 1 will be 2. So here it will, the equation will become 10x minus 7 upon 15 is equals to 2. Now this 15 will transpose from the denominator and get multiplied with the 2. Okay, so the equation will become how much? Here 2 into 15 will become 30, and 10x minus 7x will become 3x. Now x is equals to 30 divided by 3. So x is equals to 10. As 3 ones are 3 and 3 tens are 30, that's why. Clear? Now after getting the value of x is equals to 10, we have to substitute it. For substituting, it's a very simple. In place of 2 we have, in place of x we have to substitute. So 2, what is the value of x we are having? 10 we are having, isn't it? So 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3. This is the equation we are having. Now 2 into 10 will be how much? 20. Here it will be 20 upon 3 and 3 will be get cross multiplied. So 20 upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 70 upon 15 plus 3. Clear? Now solve it. 20 plus 3 upon 3 is equals to 70 plus 3 into 15. Okay. Then after we will get 3 into 15. So 3 5s are 15, 3 4 45. So here what we will get? 45. And after solving that equation we will get 20 plus 3, that will be 23, and 14 plus 9 upon 3, that will be 23 upon 3 is the answer. Next question we are having the ninth one, that is 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equals to 26 upon 3 minus y. So transposing the y terms in one side and the constant to other side, we will get the required answer like this. Since it is a like term, while seeing the denominator you can see that it is a like term. So we can, without taking an LCM, we can solve the numerator. 26 minus 5, it will become how much? 21. So here 2y plus y will become 3y. So 3y is equals to 21 upon 3. So 21 will, 3 1s are 3 and 3 7s are how much? It will be 3 7s is 21. So it will be get cancelled. So 3y is equals to 7 we got. So y value we will get as 7 upon 3. This value we have to substitute here. Okay. So in place of y we are going to put the value. So putting the value we will get the required answer as LHS will be equals to RHS as we have done at the above. Clear? Have you understood? No? Now 10th question. Here 10th question it is said that 3m 5m will transpose from right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, s equals to minus 8 upon 5. So here it will become minus 2m is equals to minus 8 upon 5. So the negativity from the left hand right hand side will get cancelled and 2 comes in the denominator. So 8 upon 5 into 2. So here 4 is 8. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s is 8. So m is equals to 4 upon 5, we will get the required answer. Clear? Now after getting the required answer as m is equals to 4 upon 5, we have to substitute it in the equation. Here is the equation. So substituting the value in the equation, we will get 3 into 4 upon 5 is equals to 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 8 by 5. Clear? So 5 will get cancelled here. Here it will become 12. 12 upon 5 is equals to 4 minus 8 upon 5. So cross multiply, we will get 12 upon 5 is equals to 20 minus 8, because here 4 and 5 will multiply. So 20 minus 8 upon 5 is equals to 12 by 5 is equals to 12 by 5. So here we will get the required answer for this. Hope you people understood the equation. So here we had completed the solution of exercise 2.3. Clear, student? If you are having any doubt, can ask. Thank you everyone.